I've already hosted hands-on smoothie bowl workshops in Atlanta with several different companies and groups. Also in Cuba, in Costa Rica, coming up in Brazil, and I'm just getting started, you guys, and I'm super excited to announce that I'm also gonna be hosting hands-on smoothie bowl workshop at the 4 Pinners conferences. So some of you might be like, well, what's Pinners? That sounds like Pinterest. Yes, you're right. So Pinners is the conference that highlights DIY and all kinds of different things with Pinterest and people that are on Pinterest that want DIY, or people maybe that integrate and run their businesses and share social on Pinterest. So if you aren't on Pinterest, it's kind of like a social media, but with a Google aspect, because you can search by topics, by people, so on and so forth. So it's an amazing platform, you guys, and it links directly back to your website on every single what's called a pin, which is really like a flyer or a board, okay? So I'm gonna be hosting 4 this year in 2019 at the Pinners conferences. First is California. So if you want to attend, you can use the code FLC for a discount, and or if you want to attend some of ours in Atlanta, you can pull them up on fitlifecreation.com/Atlanta, and you can also jumpstart with freebies online, okay? So you got that. Then we've got California in March, we've got Minnesota in May, we've got Texas coming up in September, and Arizona in November, okay? So what is it and what does it look like? I mentioned the Herbalife nutrition aspect, grabbing berries, raspberries, blueberries, coconut flakes, and granola, and just putting them in super simple, easy bowls, you guys, and then little easy like little small tasty bites to create a mini bowl. So what does that look like? Let me show you some behind the scenes and how you can set it up to scale easy for a workshop, whether it's 5 people, 10 people, or hundreds of people. So in California, we're gonna be hosting anywhere between 30 to over 200 people. Then in Minnesota, Texas, and California, it's DIY with up to 300 people. So let's get excited, because you could create this too.